Hello! Today I'm going to show y'all how to crochet the waistcoat stitch. The neat thing about this stitch is that it looks like knitting. I used it in the Dandelion Field Beanie, and as you can see, it really does look knit. To get started, today I'm using yarn by Montana Crochet, but you can use any medium 4 worsted weight yarn that you would like. I'm also using a size K 6.5mm crochet hook by Furls Crochet, and as you notice, it is a larger hook than you would normally use with medium 4 worsted weight yarn. One of the first things to remember about crocheting the waistcoat stitch is that it is easier with a larger hook than you would normally use, or is recommended by the yarn weight. As you can see, I have started my Dandelion Field Beanie, and there is some simple ribbing at the bottom, and then I've crocheted 4 rounds of waistcoat stitch. The waistcoat stitch is essentially a single crochet, but the difference is where the hook goes. Normally, you would insert the hook below the front and back loop like this, but for the waistcoat stitch, you insert your hook between these 2 posts, like this. Sometimes a little wiggle helps. And this is what the back should look like. Now just yarn over, pull up a loop. I like to make this loop larger than normal, and I try my best to keep the loop on my hook as tight as possible. Yarn over and pull through both loops. And that is how simple the waistcoat stitch is. I'll show you one more time. Insert the hook between these 2 posts. Yarn over and pull up a loop that is larger than normal. Yarn over and pull through both loops. As you can see, it really does look like knitting, and it's so simple. I hope y'all love this stitch as much as I do. If you would like to crochet the Dandelion Field Beanie or any of my other patterns, they are available for free at withalexofficial.com. Until next time, bye, and happy crocheting!